Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to focus on French numbers from 0 to 10. How do we say 0 to 10 in French, and how do you practice so as to be able to know, memorize all those numbers and be able to write them correctly? So guys, the first thing we need to do, check this, write these numbers down. So French numbers 0 to 10, write them down. So the first thing I would like you guys to do is to write the way you hear them. I'm going to pronounce them, and then you put down the way you hear them. The way we hear words may differ. I may write something different as per my partner or the person next to me, according to the way I hear these numbers. All that is controlled by the languages you have already in your mind, or if you have already seen these numbers before. So I want you to write, just have like two columns. So the first column will be just the way you hear the numbers. So I'm going to say them slowly. You write them the way you hear them. Even if you know how to write these numbers, don't write the way you see them. No. Or the way that they are spelled. No, write the way you hear them. So let's go. For 0 is 0, 0, 0. For 1, 1, 1, 1. For 2, 2, 2, 2. For 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 10, this. Very good. Now you can repeat and try read what you have written, so as to check if you have the same pronunciation with the person next to you or the person you are working with. Then after that, we are going to discover how to write. How are these numbers spelled? How do we see them? And this is how we see them. Check, guys. This is how we see them. So this is, I repeat again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for some phonetics. When you see, if you go through my 24 lessons about sounds, how to read French words, I have this lesson UI, which is we. You can see like wheat. Wheat. We have this one, you saw OI is wa. So when you come back here, you see trois. The S is not pronounced. Remember, or if you went through my sound, those lessons, there are some rules we need to master as we keep on learning French. So when you come this side, you see the QU, just K. So when you come here, it'll be K, 4, K, 4. This side, the IN is A. Check number 5, sank. Good. Now guys, you know how to write these French numbers 0 to 10. We are going to play and have some games to be able to remember. How do we remember? The next page, I want you to know this. Put this down. We are going to do to have some games, trying to practice how to write, how to say these 0 to 10, to try to memorize and understand them. To do that, we are going to do some mathematics here. So you can see this one, the sign there is plus, which is plus, pronounced plus. and this one is equals to égal, or you can say 4, égal 4, and then quoi, what, is equals to what. Then this is minus, which is pronounced like moi, moi, just like the way you also write moi, which is moi, and mois, which is moi. This moi is minus, the moi with s is month, and the moi is me or I. Then we have this either multiplié par, multiplié par, or you can say fois. Then we have divisé par. Okay. So what I want you guys to do, I want you to use those and do something like this. You ask your partner or the person you're working with, A plus 2 égale quoi? Then the other person will have to repeat and then give the answer. So the person will say A plus 2 égale 3. Then you need to appreciate that person. Say, ah, très bien. If I say A plus 2 égale 4, I say, comme ci, comme ça. So if you say comme ci, comme ça, there's a problem. Try, repeat and see where the mistake is. So A plus 2 égale 3. Très bien. Then, when you go down here, you have 5 moins 3 égale quoi? 5 moins 3 égale 2. Ah, bravo, très bien. 4 multiplié par 2 égale quoi? Or you can say 4 fois 2 égale quoi? 4 multiplié par 2 égale 8. 4 fois 2 égale 8. Down here we have this divisé par. So 10 divisé, so 10 divisé par 5, 10 divisé par 5 égale quoi? 10 divisé par 5 égale 2. Très bien. So guys, I would like you to try play with one another using plus, using moins, multiplié par, fois, divisé, trying to play the numbers 0 to 10. Make sure that even your answer will not go beyond 10 because you don't know how to say 11, 12 going upward. We will talk about that very soon. I'll be bringing another lesson about numbers, more numbers now from 11 to 20. So try practice that. You'll be able now to know how to say all those numbers correctly in the right way. And to also, you can see at the end here, la dictée pour savoir comment écrire. After that, we are going to make sure that we know how to write this 0 to 10. By doing that, we'll do some dictation. So you can just close your notebooks and then you ask your friend to, you read, say, can you write 5? And then see, when you give a dictation, you're writing the way it's written, the way it's spelled. So try do that. And then guys, you'll be able to know how to say 0 to 10. You'll be able to know how to write all that. Thank you so much, guys. And may God bless you as you keep on learning. Thank you. Bye-bye.